Step into the newest level of resort living. The Clubhouse and amenities at Windsor Cay Resort are now open and they are spectacular. From the lazy river, double water slides and resort-style pool to the splash pad, arcade, sports courts and full fitness centre, this is where 5-star vacation experiences begin. Guests can grab a drink at Rumbrellas Tiki Bar or enjoy poolside dining at the on-site bar and grill. Windsor Cay features 5 to 10 bedroom luxury vacation homes, fully approved for Airbnb and short-term rental. These homes offer expansive floor plans, private pools, upgraded kitchens, and upstairs game lofts designed for fun, comfort, and high return potential. Just minutes from Walt Disney World, Windsor Cay offers an unbeatable location for short-term rental investment and personal enjoyment. I'm Susan Benanti and I'm a leading Windsor Cay sales agent, helping buyers from all over the world secure their dream vacation investment. Call 407-259-6211 to learn more about the new Windsor Cay Resort and exclusive buyer incentives.